Translated from French, the word tricot, knitwear, means knitted items. Indeed, knitted fabric is not interwoven like many other fabrics, but knitted. Flexible loops wrap around each other, connecting to form an elastic material. Knitted items are also made in Astana, and we will tell you how it happens right now. Knitwear is a huge group of materials of various types and processing methods. First of all, the variety of raw materials used should be noted. It is the raw material that determines the properties of the material. A wide variety of yarns are used to manufacture knitwear: silk, linen, cotton, wool, and various synthetic materials as additives. They can differ in the type of twisting and length. Most often, combined materials are used, which combine natural and synthetic materials. It is the thread and its weave that determine the type of knitted fabric. In production, everything starts with a design idea. Then these ideas take graphic shape on the computer. Using a special program, the knitting order and colors are set, calculations are made, and the sizes of future clothing are determined. To begin with, a test sample is knitted, which serves as the basis for calculations. Specialists evaluate the color combination and select the weaving method. After the programming is completed, the project is transferred to the knitting machine. This is a Japanese computer-controlled machine. It is loaded with yarn and knits according to a set technique, bringing a wide variety of designers' ideas to life. The machine has 8 yarn feeders, allowing the simultaneous use of 6 to 7 colors to create clear patterns. There is an attachment for loop transfer, which makes it possible to create openwork or textured weaves. After knitting, the parts of the product undergo wet heat treatment. During this treatment, the knitwear stabilizes, achieves initial shrinkage, and gains a uniform structure. Then the parts go to cutting. These linking, kettle machines are used exclusively for knitted items. They help process the neckline and the bottom of the sleeves. The linking seam resembles knitwear and is very elastic. Because of this, garments can be easily put on over the head. The parts are assembled on a sewing machine, and labels are attached indicating care symbols and raw material composition info. Almost finished products undergo wet heat treatment again, where they are given their final commercial appearance. Control measurements are carried out here. Every product must comply with the specified parameters. The product is cleaned of production debris and steamed. The finished products are folded and packaged together. With the help of new technologies, a wide variety of designs can be applied to the fabric. This method of dyeing light fabrics is widely used in the textile industry. A sublimation printer allows for vibrant colors that are resistant to environmental factors. You will learn more about this in the next episode of How It's Made in Kazakhstan.